Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Ritter Cox from Schrader Real Estate and Auction Company. Thanks for watching our preview for this year's 2022 Area Farmers and Contractors Annual Sale here at the Turkey Farm. We want to welcome you to come to the sale this year. Got a lot of unique things. One of them is this county tractor that's behind me, 4x4 county tractor. You don't get to see them, a country Ford tractor. Kind of a unique item. Got a lot of antique tractors. This sale also has an excellent 9570 John Deere combine, a 9650 combine. We got a lot of also additions to the sale. Got a nice 7200 Buckeye ditching machine. Want to thank the sellers this year. Got a multitude of sellers that came this year. Want to thank them. Thank you to the buyers for coming. Got a tremendous amount of good hay equipment in this year's sale. Lots of good hay equipment out there in the field. Remember, Saturday, the February 26th, starting the sale at 10 o'clock, and then about 10:10 we'll have two other rings. So you have 3 rings all day here at the Turkey Farm. You got any questions, go to www.schraderauction.com for information, or give us a call at 1-800-451-2709. It's been an excellent adventure here the last couple of weeks with the sellers bringing their equipment. Got a lot of items to sell to you. Good luck here at the sale. Hope to see you Saturday here, February 26th at 10 o'clock. Again, we'll have 3 rigs running all day. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you here on Saturday. Thank you.